Today, we build a heatless lava lamp. Grab yourself an empty container at your house. Add a little bit of water to it. And so we can see what's actually happening, I'm gonna put a few drops of food coloring. Vegetable oil and the water don't like to mix. These liquids are going to actually separate. It's because of their molecular structure. All right, now that we let that settle just for a little bit, we can actually put in our effervescent tablets. They're like Alka-Seltzer. And what happens is these little tablets mix with the water and they create a gas. So let's drop that in and see what happens. The gas is actually pulling the green water up with it, and then you see the bubbles. When the gas is released, the water comes back down and says, whoop, I don't want to mix with oil. Until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.